In this video, I'm going to tell you all about BCMs, also known as body control modules. The body control module controls many functions internally, as well as externally. It will control a PDC, also known as a power distribution center, or a junction block, fuse block, etc. So let's start with this BCM right here. We call it the black and white. Kind of looks like an Oreo cookie. When you order a rebuilt BCM like this one from us, we're going to reset and clear the VIN, as well as set a base configuration that's going to allow it to be plug and play when you stick it into your vehicle. Make sure you do 3 to 4 soft resets so that the vehicle can teach it all about itself. While there's others out there that claim to pre-program these BCMs, it's absolutely not true and unnecessary. This BCM needs to learn all of its information from your vehicle when you plug it in and do those soft resets. Now, these BCMs, even if you buy them new, you'd still have to take them to a shop or dealership to have them programmed. However, if you buy a rebuilt or new from us, you can send yours in to be cloned, save yourself a bunch of money, and it's just plug and play. So there's different kinds of BCMs, those that can be programmed, those that need to be programmed, those that can't be programmed. I'm gonna show you some more and explain to you our capabilities of what we can clone, what we can program, and so on. Now, these two modules look very much the same. However, if you look on the side of them, this one has these holes to mount it, and this other one here has these clips to mount. Now, why am I showing you the difference? At the moment, I want to make this distinction because these we can absolutely clone. You could send us yours and we can clone them. When it comes to this style, they actually have 2 different microcontrollers in them, depending on the part number. So some we can program and some we can't. So it's very important to check with us before you purchase whether we can or can't clone it. This BCM is one that's relatively new to us, and we're still doing research to figure out how to program and clone it. So just be patient, it's coming real soon. And as always, thanks for choosing Max.